In today's manufacturing world, safety isn't just an option. It's a smart investment in efficiency and peace of mind. Introducing Ferndale Safety's standard milling machine guards. Built with precision and durability in mind, these guards provide a reliable barrier that minimizes hazards and enhances operational flow. It's equipped with built-in electrical safety interlock switches and impact-resistant polycarbonate shields. You can rest assured that your machine operators are kept safe against chips and accidental ejections. Designed to integrate seamlessly with your milling machines, our guards ensure that every shift runs smoother, allowing your team to focus on what matters most: quality work and innovation. Each guard is meticulously crafted to meet industry safety standards while offering versatility and robust performance in demanding environments. At Ferndale Safety, we understand the importance of a secure work environment. Our milling machine safety shields provide dependable protection, so you can work confidently knowing your team is shielded from unexpected risks. Available now on ferndalesafety.com.